Do you struggle painting snow on a mountain using a palette knife? Of course you do. I mean, that's why you clicked on the video after all. I'm gonna show you a quick and easy trick I teach all brand new painters. It's gonna build your confidence so that way you can start to make paint breaks happen every single time you paint a mountain. All it requires is just having a mixing palette. Here we go. The most common problem when you're trying to put snow on a mountain and recreate the effects of paint breaks like Bob Ross does is you most likely struggle because you get nervous and shy and your hand starts to shake and you push too hard, leaving a giant blob, not much paint left to break down the mountain. And I know this is you because it was me at some point. And something that you can easily do to correct this before you even start painting that snow on top of that mountain is take your white paint that's on your palette knife there, and if you have a mixing palette, just turn the mixing palette towards you and take that nice cut of paint on the edge of your blade and hold the knife that you need to do. If you're not sure how to hold a knife, I've got a video on it right here. Check it out because it'll change your life. And you know what? Just practice on your mixing palette the same exact angle that you want to come across with your mountain. This will allow you to practice so that way you're not nervous. This way your hand's not shaking. This way you can see what angle you need to hold the knife to get those paint breaks to happen and allow your hand to come down nice and soft and let the weight of the knife do most of the work as you come all the way across. If the knife skips and jumps, hey, that's fine. You can always go over it again. Now you can hold your mixing palette up to your mountain to see how that would look. You don't like it? You know what? Scrape it up and try it again until you get the actual mechanics down in your hand and you feel confident for you to finally attempt it on your mountain. No joke, this quick little simple tip will make you way more confident and will increase your paint breaks on your mountain. Give it a try. Give it a practice. You don't like it? Try it again, then build the confidence and go forward. If you want any more awesome art tips from me, hey, you know where to find it on my channel. Hit like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below, and I'm gonna see you all in the next quick tip video. Check you all later, and of course, peace.